2011 Toyota Camry. It's a 14mm bolt for the oil pan drain bolt. Here is our oil pan, and right here is our oil filter housing. Let's see if we can't get the filter housing loose. As suspected, it's just going to take the whole filter housing, so we don't even need the filter wrench. Here's what that filter wrench looks like for the Toyotas. It's got the spots for the filter here, but it came off without it, so we're just going to take it off by hand. Now that the housing's out, the filter should just pop out. You've got this little guide here, O-ring here, and then if we take this off, there's an O-ring under there as well. We're gonna get some oil on this O-ring now. Slide it back into place. You'll see the ridge where it needs to go. Perfect. Install our new filter. There's no direction to these. And just tighten it by hand. Perfect. Got our new cross washer. And we'll torque that down to 25 foot-pounds. Oil pan and oil filter housing with some brake clean. Okay, this is a 2011 Toyota Camry with the 2.5 liter inline 4. Takes 4.4 quarts of 0W20. To reset the maintenance required light, have it on trip A with the key on, hold it, turn the key off, turn it back on while holding the button. And now it's reset.